Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete notifications on Nextdoor. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nextdoor.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official Nextdoor website where you can log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the sign in button at the top section. Now once you log in, you will be taken into your home page where you will see the notification option at the left side. Just click on notifications and then you will be shown all of your notifications that you have received within this page. Now you can simply click on the three dots at the right side of each notification and you will find the option to delete this notification or mute it. Simply click on delete notification and this will delete your notification. You can click on the undo button immediately if you delete any notification by mistake, but you will have to act fast and you can simply continue this process to remove any notification that you wish from your notification options. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your notifications on Nextdoor. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.